G'day guys, thought I'd do an update with what I achieved today. Pretty happy with what I did. Making some slow progress, but it's heading in the right direction, thankfully. So turn it around. You'll see I've got up to there. So I'm just under halfway on this greenhouse. This is the largest greenhouse of 40 meters. So I've managed to do 4. Already did that one there with the old shade cloth that I had lying around. So I've done 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I managed to do, which I'm really happy about. Super hot today. Thunderstorms, as you can see the clouds behind me forming around, but I think it's going to miss us again. But anyway, we'll get our chance sometime soon, but you never know, we might get maybe something small. We can only hope. But yeah, really happy with today. Thought I'd just show you a bit of a progress. I've done a little bit of a time lapse as well, which I'll share that too, so you can see what I achieved. It was a little bit slow because I've had to go on the other side of the greenhouse. Had to go on the other side, which was really time consuming, especially on the step ladder. Once I was able to get onto the guttering of the 2 greenhouses here with the ladder, I'll show you. Yeah, so see what we've done there. There's just a little bit of excess amount, so I'll just cut that wiggle wire and just tidy that up on that channel there. But yeah, really happy. So you'll see some more wiggle wire, maybe a bit of channel in there. So that's for this greenhouse on this side here. So this will roll up, this little side curtain, and I'll have to access it, do it from inside the main, or the big nursery, sorry, the big greenhouse. But yeah, really happy. At least we know now that the lithops are in shade and protected, which was the goal today, to make sure I got that done. So I got a little bit more than that covered, which is really good, and which is just amazing. So I suppose I could already start cutting some of this thermal screens up to where I got finished with the shade cloth, but I might just leave it. I'll just keep finishing the shade cloth and then do that on the end. But the perks of having a nursery is the irrigation on a hot day. This is the place to be. It's fantastic. Nice and cool. Need it today. Gosh, it was hot on that gutter. And then you had the reflection of the white shade cloth with the sun. Wow, that was hot. So yeah, anyway, happy with that. And I'll do another video of the next little bit of progress. So yeah, have a great rest of your day. Have a great week, and catch you soon. Bye. Okay, so here's a time lapse of about 5 hours worth of work that's been condensed down to a minute, just so it doesn't bore you too much. You can see that it was quite windy, so it probably would have been smarter to do this early in the morning. This just made it a little bit difficult. We're trying to overlap or line up the shade cloth on the previous strips that I had installed. You can see I've used my trusty rope with a rock on the end, throwing that over. Unfortunately, it did put a hole in my middle greenhouse, which I did patch up, so I had to get a little strips of towel and just wrap that around the rock just to prevent further damage as I was working my way down. But yeah, no, it was coming together really well. It was quite slow, just moving around back and forth on the ladder, onto the gutter and back. So you can see there's my trusty Foreman, our dog, making sure I'm doing the right thing. But no, it all went really good and really happy with it.